In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure your Anytype app is properly synced. Keeping your notes and projects consistent across all your devices is essential, and a quick check can save you time and prevent confusion. I'll walk you through what to look for, how to confirm everything is connected, and how to trigger a manual sync if you need to. Start by looking for the small green dot on your screen. This indicator tells you that your account is online and that your data is synced across your devices. Think of it as a simple health check for your workspace. If the green dot is visible, you're in good shape. It may take a moment to appear after opening the app, especially if your connection is catching up, so give it a second to update before you worry. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is the same on all your devices. Using the same network helps your devices discover each other quickly and keeps syncing smooth and reliable. To confirm what the app is seeing, tap the status area near the green indicator. You'll see a sync status panel that shows whether everything is working correctly. When I tap the next option, it shows the Anytype network details, which means all my devices are connected through one internet source. This is a handy way to verify that you're not switching between networks or mobile data without realizing it. A stable, consistent connection is the foundation of seamless syncing. If you ever want to nudge the app to update immediately, you can manually sync. Just tap the button beside the green indicator. If your app is not up to date, you'll see an option that says Sync. Tap it, and the app will start pulling the latest changes and sending your updates to the cloud and your other devices. You might notice the status changing as it works. That's completely normal. In my case, it already shows Synced, which means everything is current and good to go. When you see Synced, you can be confident that what you're seeing on one device matches the others. That's all there is to it. Check the green dot, confirm you're on the same network, and use the manual sync button when you want instant confirmation. Keep these checks in mind, and you'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time focused on your work. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.